You're about to see some wild profits in this video. So I looked at every print-on-demand product you can sell and found the ones that were making the most profit on Etsy. Now I thought I was doing well getting a $68 order, but that is nothing compared to some of the numbers you'll be seeing in this video. So today I'll be revealing the 7 POD products out of all 270 product types that make the most profit per item based on real data from products that are actually selling right now. And if anyone who can access the internet can sell these, then why can't you? Now, selling ultra high priced items isn't the only way to make high profit orders. You can also have products that seem like the exact opposite at first, like stickers, but are easy to sell in bundles. So let's say I sell a sticker for $5.99. It costs me 87 cents. Let's say I charge the customer $3.99 for shipping, and I get charged $4.69 shipping first item by Printify. Now, if I'm selling on Etsy, I will have to tag on a 6.5% transaction fee and a 20-cent listing fee, 4% payment processing fee, which, 0.4 because that's 20 cents plus 20 cents. And if I sell one sticker on Etsy, I'm left with $2.97 profit. But I only have one job in this case, which is to make customers buy in bundles. Because with stickers, your shipping cost barely increases per extra item. So if we enter additional shipping, that's 0.09 to ship an extra item after the first one. So watch this. So by the time you're selling packs of 10 stickers, which tons of people are doing, by the way, on Etsy, you're making about $43 profit per order. So just because a product is small doesn't mean that you're writing it off for profit margins. You just have to kind of think about the strategy behind it. And by the way, if you do want to use my POD profit calculator, the most accurate one you'll find on the internet, so you don't lose money before you sell products, because some products should not be sold, especially with paid ads, then you can use this at tiertx.com. This lets you see how shipping, taxes, fees, ads, and discounts will all affect your profit margins instantly, along with all the other tools that I've built that save me and my members hours every single week. And lastly, some products just have a very strong margin per order. For example, this ornament from Pick the Gift, I sell these every Q4 for about $33 each. So I made $64 revenue on this sale, and this order cost me $16.90. Now I looked on Printify, the price has actually decreased since then. So I just ran these numbers through my calculator, and nowadays you'd be making about $20 on these. I think this is rounded down to the nearest cent. About $45 selling just 2 of these, which over 69% per item after fees. And speaking of Pick the Gift, they're kindly sponsoring this video. I was really excited when they reached out to me because I've sold their ornaments via Printify every Q4. They've always delivered on time. My customers have loved their products, and right now they're giving my viewers $100 in free store credit to test or sell any of their products. Just write TierTX on their partner inquiry form when you sign up using the link in my description, and you'll get your $100 in free store credit. Pick the Gift is a white label print-on-demand fulfillment partner, so you handle the branding and sales. They handle everything on the back end, including printing, packaging, and shipping directly to your customers. There's no inventory, no upfront costs, and you can start with just one order. You only pay when you make a sale. So whether you're just starting on Etsy or scaling your Shopify store, it's super easy to plug into your business. They've got over 400 products, but what really stood out to me is that they focus on high margin giftable items, so things like blankets and ornaments, drinkware, wall art. So these are the kinds of unique giftable items that actually make a profit. From what I've seen working with them, the product quality is fantastic, and they also have real human customer support, which makes a massive difference when you're running a store. So if you're looking for a supplier for higher profit POD products, definitely check them out. The link is in the description. And again, don't forget to mention TierTX in the partner inquiry form to get your $100 in free store credit. So today I'll be going through products that fall into category 1, that's high average order value products. If you like this video and you want to see more about bundleable products or higher margin POD products, let me know down in the comments and I'll put it in my list. Starting off at number 1, we have canvas wall art. So the most competitive, but also the highest profit potential. This personalized wall art selling for over $300. 13 people bought it in the last day. I know this is the larger variant, but if you look through the reviews, lots of people have bought the largest size. So cost-wise, a 30 by 40 canvas with Printify costs $47.40. Plus $28.39 for shipping on the first item. If we enter those numbers, 311.50. Even after fees, that is $202.60 profit per order. So honestly, good for whoever's selling this. And here's another one selling for over $200 each at the largest size, which again, many people do buy. I saw in the reviews, and 3 people bought this in the past day. Next, we have custom blankets. So we got several selling for over $100 with lots of people buying in the past day. Here's another one that is in over 20 carts. Now for this one, I looked through the reviews. Most people are buying the smaller size with this, but at $55.36, still an okay profit. And other types of blankets sell as well. So we got this baby custom blankets, literally just a name. And 22 people bought this in the past day. So as you can see, Printify does these at pretty reasonable prices. The woven blanket cost $21.42. And if we look at the shipping for the woven blanket, it's really not bad. You've got $9.99 to $11.99 for the first product. Next up is metal signs. So these selling for over $300 again, got 2 sales in the last day and doesn't even have a design. And this one, 16 people bought in the past day. Now I was able to find these die cut metal signs on T-Launch, and these are the prices. So I think these are reasonable, but honestly, I've seen these for cheaper on Temu and other places, so I'm sure you could find a cheaper supply. This was just one that I was able to find with good Trustpilot reviews. Next up is shower curtains. So you see this one selling for over $100. 2 people bought this today and it doesn't even have a design on it. And this is just the most hideous Etsy listing I've ever seen. It's in 20 carts right now. So people buying this for $54. So cost-wise with Printify, these cost about $39 total with shipping. And you can get away with over $100 pricing, as you just saw. $50 to $60 profit per order, which really isn't bad. Next up is area rugs. So 3 people bought this one today, $180 per sale. And same again here, 3 people bought this one. This is a print-on-demand product, as you can see. Now, when it comes to fulfillment, these are a bit more on the expensive side. But even with the largest sizes and shipping, it definitely won't come out to over $100. So if you're selling for like $150, then that is $50 to $80 profit potential. Multiple people buying them every single day. Next up is wall tapestries, and these are good because they are popular for birthday gifts, and unlike Christmas, birthdays are not seasonal. They happen 365 days of the year. So 11 people bought this today. 13 people bought this today. And these are great because they have cheap shipping. They're big, but also light. So the most you get charged for at this bigger size. So with Printify Premium, that is about $42. Yeah. So that leaves like $20 to $30 profit if you're selling these for over 70. Next is duvet covers, and this one is in 20 carts right now, selling for $130 to $189. So that's a queen size, which is pretty impressive. If they had a king size, which they should, they would be making more. So looking at the Printify Premium prices, the shipping is very reasonable again, because big but also light item. The most you'll ever have to pay even for a king size is about in total like $90. So that leaves a very healthy $80 to $90 profit before fees on Etsy. If you want to use my e-commerce profit calculator to check whether you should even sell a product or whether it will just lose you money, you only need 2 numbers and it will do the rest for you. Head down to the link in my description. Members can access this tool as well as all my other software for sellers. Hope you found that useful and informative, and I'll see you guys in the next video.